This is News 14 Carolina Meteorologist Matthew East, and thank you for clicking on to the Tuesday edition of East's weather video. And it looks like all the parameters are coming together for a large, significant outbreak of severe weather later on this afternoon into tonight off to our west. There's the Day 1 convective outlook, the latest one issued as I'm cutting this video. From the Storm Prediction Center. That's a high-risk area. You only see those maybe a couple of times a year, but that's a high risk of severe weather over Arkansas and northwestern Mississippi and up to the Memphis area around Tennessee, and a large moderate risk, and then even a larger slight risk area surrounding that. Here's the tornado probability, and that's a large hatched area. The hatched areas indicate where the Storm Prediction Center thinks there might be some more significant, stronger, more violent tornado potential. And that's a large area there around the Mississippi Valley and into northwestern Alabama. And it looks like this will be a big outbreak of severe weather over that area today into tonight. Now let's go to the Day 2 convective outlook. This is valid tomorrow, Wednesday, into Wednesday night. And there's a pretty sizable slight risk area that does include all of North Carolina and South Carolina and all of Georgia as well. And they don't issue specific tornado or wind or hail probabilities for Day 2, but that's the overall severe weather probability, and that's a large 30% area of severe weather probability over much of the Carolinas and down into Georgia and up into Virginia as well. So we're certainly watching that. I'll talk more about that in just a second. All right, here's the surface map valid 1 o'clock this afternoon off the 6C run of the GFS. Off to our west, there might be a couple showers ongoing over the lower Mississippi Valley, but really in that big severe weather risk area, it's probably still pretty quiet at early afternoon. But I think we see explosive thunderstorm development there over Arkansas and Louisiana and northwestern Mississippi late this afternoon into this evening. This is 7 o'clock this evening, the precipitation that's fallen through 7 p.m. and then the precip falling through 1 a.m. that has fallen through 1 a.m. Notice a lot of that would be a lot of thunderstorm activity that's occurred over northern Mississippi, pushing into northwestern Alabama, and then overnight the showers and storms spread eastward. And we're probably by daybreak Wednesday looking at a very strong line of thunderstorms from southern Ohio and Kentucky all the way down through eastern Alabama and northwestern Georgia. Now, for us, it'll be dry and warm today. We're going to be up into the lower 70s for highs today, and it'll be very mild tonight. Lows only dropping down into the 50s in many spots. And let's go ahead to tomorrow. This is 1 o'clock in the afternoon, tomorrow afternoon for Wednesday. And notice the major precipitation areas have not yet moved into the Piedmont. And with this timing of this frontal passage slowing down, there you go. That's the precip that falls between 1 p.m. and 7 p.m. tomorrow. So this is certainly indicating that we will see most of our shower and thunderstorm activity tomorrow during the afternoon hours. That means a couple of things. First of all, the atmosphere will have a chance to become more unstable before those showers and storms push on in. So that's why I'm a little bit more concerned about severe weather than I was when I cut the video yesterday morning. It looks like with the timing, we will have a chance to have a more unstable air mass in place as these showers and storms push through. The other thing it means is we're going to stay quiet through the night and through really it looks like much of tomorrow morning. It will mainly be looks like an afternoon event coming up for Wednesday. So we're going to have to watch for certainly some damaging wind potential as we go through our Wednesday afternoon, and maybe a few isolated tornadoes being possible as well. So that'll be something we'll have to watch. Keep it tuned to News 14 Carolina. We will keep you completely up to date. And there we are by 1 a.m. Thursday morning as that front is pushed on through, cooler air filtering in, and the rain has ended. And I will mention, it looks like everything lining up now for a pretty good shot of cold air coming up Sunday into Monday. We'll be talking much more about that down the road. Quickly, the radar this morning, very quiet. We'll stay that way again. We're not going to see any rain pushing in here until sometime during the day tomorrow. All right, that's it for this edition of East Weather Video. Everyone have a wonderful Tuesday, and God bless.